Hey guys, welcome back to another video inside Wolf Quest, and today we're just creating a wolf rain. Then I don't know if you guys had suggested names for wolves, but I think one has, and I'm gonna do it later. So right now this is rain. Rain is like this, green eyes. Wait, no, that's Rufus. This is how he looks like. I don't know. Wait. That was someone else. Water. This is Water. Rain's mate. She's a female, but Rain is a male. And yeah, he's a light color. Then like this a little bit dark, like gray. This like that. Like, has a lot of strength, not that much, but a little bit, and then a little bit of speed. There we go. Then the howl. The No. No. I forgot what howl. It wasn't that. I think it was that. No. No. I forgot what howl. This one. I don't know if you guys could hear it, but hold up. Thank you. Please save. Please. Yes. Okay, this is how it sounds like. There we go. And then the last thing is a collar. Or was it a band? It was a collar. Oh, by the way, new intro and outro. Yes, I made it. I made it. And yeah. I made the intro and outro because I accidentally erased the another one that had like carrot, that said carrot or my name. I don't know, but I accidentally erased it. I did create two new ones, but the outro I never had one, or I think I did have one, but then no, I accidentally erased it. Okay, we're gonna start it pretty easy. Okay, this is how he looks like, and yeah, his speed a little bit like it's like kind of fast, but yeah, this is not where he's supposed to be. This is the only Lost River wolf. So yeah, his speed is like, I don't know, I can't do nothing. I need to get close. Just go. So yeah, it's very hard to catch elk. Eventually, like right now, we're being so close to hunt an elk. I'm about to get it. Eat it. Not eat it. I'm about to get it. Then that's where now I lose my speed a little bit. Okay, there we go. I can't get it. Oh god, you turned. Okay, let me turn off a little bit volume. There we go. Not that much. Could hear the hooves. Okay, this is what I do, and then yes. Oh wow, I was walking. Another glitch, but it's not the glitch. It's the same one. This is not where he's supposed to be. I need to explore with him at Lost River, not on Amethyst Mountain. Cause I don't know. He's one of the Lost Rivers. Wolf for me. And yeah. I need to end this video. And yeah, the next video, it'll be, bye guys. I forgot what I was saying. I need to end this video, but to the next video, I'm gonna do Lost River. I might do Lost River, I don't know if I'm ready for it. But yeah, bye guys.